I just finished cleaning out this mid-century Sheaffer pen that I bought from eBay, and I can't really tell what the point size of the nib is. I don't think it says on there anywhere. This cartridge was full of dried ink still, so it had to soak for a long time, and this is the original Sheaffer logo, I think. So that was pretty neat. Interestingly enough, Sheaffer still makes the same size of cartridge. So if you get a Sheaffer pen and it doesn't come with a cartridge, or the cartridge is broken or old, or you just don't feel like cleaning it out like I did, they sell these at a lot of different office supply stores. There's the classic Sheaffer cartridge, and they fit right in. But since I was able to clean this one out and save it, I'm going to go ahead and use it. I think it's kind of neat to have an original Sheaffer cartridge. And you can see it says jet black right there, kind of. It's a little bit worn away, but I'm going to be refilling this pen with a combination of inks, which I've never done before. I'm going to be using this purple and this coral together. It's gonna kind of be an experiment, and we'll see how it turns out. Might turn out really bad, might turn out really neat. We'll see. I'm going to be using my syringe again. I also wanted to show you this cap. It kind of has an Art Deco look to it. It's not a white dot pen like some of the Sheaffers, and you can see the inscription there on the cap, made in USA, Sheaffer. So we're gonna open, I think, our purple ink first. I just want to use a little bit of that, and then we'll put our coral ink in. Actually, I'm going to do the coral ink first since it's lighter. I don't want to dilute it with the purple, so this one's a little trickier than the last pen I filled, just because the opening is a little smaller. Uh-oh. Try to go really slow. Bubbling up at the top there. Hope that's not a problem. Uh-oh. Got a little spill there. All right, we're gonna put some more in. Again, being really careful. So I think that's all the coral ink I'm going to put in. It's mostly full, but I want a little purple in there as well. So I'll put the rest of my coral ink back into my coral container. This has been one of my favorite colors, the Herbin. I think it's a French ink company, not sure. You can research it if you want to. Such a lovely orange pink color. And I'm actually not even going to clean my syringe. I'm not worried about my purple getting diluted. Just a little bit. I'm just curious about what kind of color this is going to make. I think it'll be kind of a maroon, or the purple might just take over completely. I've got a bubble there. Okay, that's looking pretty full. Keep our cartridge upright. Oh no. and put the rest of our ink back into our purple. We can go ahead and put our cartridge onto our pen here. See that little part right there is just going to allow it to snap right in. I want to make sure it's pretty snug because you don't want any leaking. I'll just clean up around. Okay. Screw our pin body back on and we'll cap it. So we've got our Sheaffer pen filled and ready to test. I'm excited about this because I really like the shape of the nib. Even though I'm not sure, it looks like a medium. Looks like a medium size nib, maybe. If anybody knows, feel free to comment. So we're just gonna start tapping the pen here. Oh my goodness, look at that. There's already ink flowing. Wow. It's very purple. I wonder if I should have shaken the cartridge some. It's a little thicker of a nib than my other pens. These are all my other pens tested up here. It's definitely a lighter purple, I think, than up here is my purple ink just by itself. I generally like the smaller nib sizes, so this will be my first larger size nib, but I think I like it. It's a little scratchy, but I know that over time it will fit to my handwriting and my style. It'll wear down as I use it more. So thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment.